Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be expatiating on the difference between WordPress.org and WordPress.com. So basically we've already talked about this while we were doing the introduction about what is WordPress. We went to the different versions of WordPress, but this question came in again, the difference between org and .com version of WordPress. We all know about this. WordPress.org is the version you download and install on your server. You have full control, self-hosted, or probably installed from your server cPanel, and have full control and can do and undo whatever you want, and can also mess up the site and the site goes poof offline, not loading, error, 503, and so on and so forth. While the .com version is not self-hosted by you, is hosted by the company, WordPress.com managed for you, and they have limited things you can do and most things you don't have access to. And if you want to do it, you have to reach out to them for them to fix it so that you don't go there and mess up things for your site. They just give you basic control and all that. So that is the difference between WordPress.org and WordPress.com. And you can still go ahead and head to their site and see the different version. So now the main difference between the two versions is the way your site is hosted. WordPress.com is a hosting platform that provides you with a turnkey solution, while WordPress.org is a self-hosted solution. You take care of it yourself. However, the software used to run both versions are the same. Okay. So now let's go ahead and check WordPress.com. The last time we were WordPress.com, we created a website which was shortcrashcourse.wordpress.com. As you can see here, we're on the site, and this is the team we picked. So you can edit site, write blog, promote with Blaze, manage comment, add a page, add a domain, manage all domains. So you can see different features and all that. This is the back end of the site. Then we can also go to the front end by clicking here and open and see how our site looks like. So you can see. So let's assume that on WordPress.com we want to add a post. We'll just click here, write a blog post, and it will take us to this particular section where we can write a blog post. So now we can also go to the WordPress.org. Here you don't pay any money, you just go ahead and download. You go to download or click on get WordPress, and it takes you to the download page. This is the download page where you download the WordPress. And as at right now, we are on the version 6.5.3. Okay, so you download this and install on your server. Then you're going to have this. This is a self-hosted WordPress, which is what we're using on Short Crash Course. And you can see this is the dashboard. You can see this is the post, media, pages, appearance, plugins, users, tools, settings, and so on and so forth. So guys, that is the difference between WordPress.org and com, right? The difference between the WordPress.com and the WordPress.org versions. So that will be all for now in this video. I expect to see you in our next video. Bye for now.